Hello everybody, Blitz11 here, and welcome back to Plants vs. Zombies Garden for 2. Last time we were on a spending spree, and today we're going to continue to do that. I'm just going to jump right back into it and nothing else. I'm going to get that freaking pickle jar. So we got 5 million coins here. I'm going to get that pickle jar, I'm going to get up and start screaming. That's all I want. Something stupid, but I want it. I still got like halfway to go through. I'm pretty sure I can get it. I can't get it the normal way. And I won't. Anyone can get it. Gem, silly stars. Okay. So give me some like some of the silver and gold ones. I guess I'm getting like tons of these sets done for now. Gold. Gem, yeah. Oh no. I haven't used any of this. Oh, I thought I had it. Emergency cheese. Okay. Why are these common ones not coming out faster? Once I get that pickle jar, I'm gonna start throwing off some of this. Start open some of the common ones. No, just no. Give me that pickle jar, game. I'll show you my feet. Okay, I'm joking. Packs of greatness. Come on, get that pickle jar out. Get that pickle jar out. I want that pickle jar. Give me the pickle jar. I want the jars of pickles. It's a nice jar of pickles. Oh, I'm getting a lot of them out of the way now. Oh, gold knitted nightmare. Doing the diamond ones now. Packs of nightmares. Oh, come on. I thought I had it right there. Thank goodness. I thought I had it right there. Oh, got the silver one now. This is where I get it. This is where I get the pickle jar. Okay, just bear with me now. Okay, never mind, I lied. This is where I get the pickle jar, okay. I promise you I'm gonna get that pickle jar. I promise you, this is where I'm gonna get that pickle jar. Game, if you give me that pickle jar, I'll eat pickles for the rest of my life. I want the pickle jar, pickleness. Oh, well, at least that one's done for, and that one too. Give me that pickle jar and I'll be a pickle, please. Pickle, please. I don't care for much of this stuff. At least some of these sets are done for now. Pickle jar? I got that one back to back. This is where you get the pickle jar goodness. That big grunt there. Well, I already got all the good stuff out of the thing, but I want that pickle jar. Game, give me that pickle jar. I'll write you a love letter. I've got that one done. That's the only way I get some legendary items until I start getting nothing out of these. Look to the sky. Look to the sky now. Again, I just woke up with like a massive headache. That's all I'm gonna be doing now. Pickle jar? Oh, I got dominated nightmares. I like that. A lot of stuff here. Wandering packs are great news. Okay, come on now. Oh. Come on now. Goes back to back. This is the one. This is the one. I know it. I just know it. This wasn't the one. I know it. No, this, again, this is the one. Just trust me on this one. Again, you just gotta trust me. And the next one here, this is the one. Now this one, again, just trust me. Trust me. Give me that pickle jar again. Maybe give me that pickle jar. I'll eat an orange. That's prospector. Gotta trust me on this one, okay? Thought I had it. Legendary hat, here we go. Legendary hat, here we go. No, I don't want that. I'll take that though. My face. That's all I'm getting now. Okay. Goldy glow ring thingy. This next one here. Guarantee it. I'm gonna flip this pencil right in front of me. For the luck. Never mind. Next one here. This is the one. Gotta trust me. Organics. Okay. Wandering pack. This is the one. This is the one. I guarantee it. This game hates me now. I don't want any of it. Oh, hey look, we got the silver one now. Silver frozen coffee. Can I get the gold one after this one? I don't care for the pickle jar now. I want the coffee bugs. Give me them coffee mugs. There we go. Gem knighted and gold frozen coffee. Now give me the diamond one. Give me the diamond and gem ones. I don't care anymore. Give me I want the gold and diamond ones now. The diamond and gem ones. I said give me the gem and diamond ones. Marshmallow Master. I'm gonna keep open until I get the gem and diamond ones. Oh, brick. Give me the gold. Give me the... What was that? Doll face. What? So I just gotta question some things. Just gotta question it. Give me the diamond coffee mugs. Give me the diamond and gem mugs. That's all I want. Gold rainbow coins. I forgot I had those. Ooh, okay, 2 specials. I'll take that. I want the mugs now. Give me the mugs. Give me the mugs. Silver lunar set. I might spend my last 500 on the purple jar. Unless it comes out of here out of nowhere. Diamond coin tower. Give me the one thing I want. I want the diamond coffee mugs. I said the diamond coffee mugs. The diamond. You know what I want, game. Better give me what I want, game. So there's one thing I want to do when I got all the Black Ops series, except for 5, 6, and 7. But I want to go through like every map and just show them off as separate videos or something like that. I think that'll be fun on my part. So I'm gonna go through all those maps. I might do that just for this, just walk around and explore these maps. If you want me to, I can do that. Dude. I want those mugs. Don't care for anything else, I want the mugs. Wait a minute. Give me the mugs. I'll take the mugs. Game. I want the mugs. Oh, diamond member coins. Okay. I'm gonna get those coffee mugs now, sooner or later. Or I can get the pickle jar. That's sitting in this chair is... Good, is that good for me? Gotta get up, get up. Oh, God. Spending packs on these. Got tiresome. There we go. Coffee mug inbound. Coffee mug inbound. Coffee mug inbound. It's like the game knows what I want, but it won't give me what I want. Just gotta snap my fingers and I can get what I want. keep going through these wondering packs. Game, you know what I want. Just give it to me. Diamond Electro, okay. What could I get here? Dream Shrooms. Gold Cotton Candy. Diamond. Back to back. Has there ever been a chance I could get one set like back to back on all of these? Diamond cheese tricks. I want the coffee mugs. This game knows what I want. Hey, that took a long time to get a second one of these. What? The wondrous packs of greatness. Oh, there we go. Diamond frozen coffee mugs now. Now I need the gym version. Give me the mug. I want the mug. You're gonna get mugged. Teasing me with all these super rares, okay? Oh, it feels like I got hit. I feel like I got hit with a freight train. Maybe I gotta take a sip of my coffee to wake myself up. Diamond Power Vision, let's go. Got the Egyptian set done with. This is the one. There we go. I got the coffee mugs done now. Let's go. Now, just need that freaking pickle jar. Am I gonna get that pickle jar? Who knows? Let me get a coin out. I can flip it. So I'm gonna just spin for the next 2 minutes here. Golden Land Rover Lollipop. If I don't get it in the next of this 400 coin spending here, I guess I'll go buy it over there. Hydrant. Man, I'm getting like almost filling that entire thing out. But it's sure be a shame that I won't be playing this game again. What's this one? Gold chip readers. Okay, now I want the other ones. I want the other chips. I need the other chips now. Galaxy camera. Give me the gold one now. Let's run the... Next. The wonders of wonders of wonders. So that's done for. Let's keep saying that's done for. What's done for now? Team retries, that's done for. Gold cash bag. Gym roll night set. I'm gonna open up a few more of these. If I don't get the pickle jar, I'm gonna go buy it. This is the only one, last one here. Alright, let's go buy it instead. I want the pickle jar. I'm the proud owner of a pickle jar now. I got a pickle jar. I guess they're spending their rest on their wondrous packs of greatness. Gold. Wandering packs of greatness. Oh, no, not yet. Guess I got 7, 8 more openings here. Oh, got that one done. Gold sheriff set. Back to back. Okay. 3 more openings here. Gold joining Jousting set, silver shroom pods, gym loungers. Gym diggity digital jiggity digital digi denters. Okay, there you go. I was trying to get jiggity down, but I don't want to be down. I'll be fine with being cringe. Anything? No? Okay, that's done for. There's a few more sets here. Oh, 3 to 4 more now. Oh, that one's done now. I feel like they all have like a... I definitely feel like they all have their own freaking special series sets. Let's see. I want to test out what that pickle jar can do. Gold galaxy camera. Can I go for diamond now, or do I even have the luck to do it? Well, don't have any more money for that, so let's join a new pack here. Helpful fun pack. And let's go for like a minion boosters pack. Yeah, Snapdragon, newspaper, zombies, help about reading. Alright, that was all 10 million of my coins. 9,500,000 to be exact, but it's all of them. And that collection is nowhere halfway done. Well, halfway done for the plants collection. But what's for the zombies? Nowhere halfway done for that. So there's a few things I just want to test out here. I want to put on the... Go to my sunflower here. Customize. Appearance. Cheese, 8 balls. I want to put on the... Ah, there we go. Chocolate. Did I put on the diamond ones? I'm gonna put on the gold, the diamond, the gem ones. Gem frozen cotton legs. And I'm getting kicked out. I got kicked out of the game. You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, I need to get up and stretch here. I'm stretching. Oh yeah, that's a nice stretch right there. Oh yeah, that's good. That was a good stretch. That was a definitely good stretch. I had a good stretch right there. So there's like 2 more things I want to test out now. Until I get back into the game. This game will load in for me. Oh, there we go. I want to see if I can walk around and spill some coffee. Nope. No, it doesn't smell coffee. But they're still cool. I love them. They're a little cool. Alright, cacti. Gonna put you onto the customize you appearance. That's sunny rain. Where's that pickle jar at? Got that pickle jar so long. There's a pickle jar. I want to see it special. So special. Pickle jar. Got a jar of pickles on my head. That's what I wanted. The legendary pickle jar. I guess I'll show off the flag of power again, but I just... Yeah, zombie brains. Yeah, just gotta yawn. How I feel right now. I want to see what... I need to know what the pickle jar can do. I need to know what the legendary pickle jar can do. Do I gotta aim for the head for the spread? Probably I gotta aim for I could probably aim for the head. No, I'm good. I don't need reinforcements. What? I'm missing every shot here. Where's the last guy at now? Oh, another wave. Alright. Brown coach defeated. I just want to see what the legendary pickle jar can do. I'm trying to see what these legendary pickle jar can do. And after that, be logging off this game for good. Logging off for good. Probably won't pick it back up for like another few years or something like that. Or unless people want to watch me play more garden ops and graveyard ops. We're down to do that. Oh, that's even better. The pickles move. That's the best thing ever. The pickle jars. That's the best thing I've ever seen. The pickles just flip in the air. I love that. I freaking love that. Hey, go capture the base. But someone can land on that. Oh, the bouncing. I can hear the bounce. The bling, the bing. Alright, buddy, let's go capture the best. Go back to my pea shooter here. I'm gonna go capture that money. Go capture the money. Yeah. But yeah, okay. I guess I'll be ending it off right here, back where I started. Alright, this will be the last time. I don't know how to end these things that much, but yeah. I'll be ending this series off right here for now. This will be the last time I'll be picking this game up. The last time I'll be playing it for a long time. As I'm getting very bored of the game and other things. I'm gonna move on. I will be moving on to the first game, be showing off everything there. And after that, if you want me to, I'll do Battle for Neighborville, but I'm just not promising anything. I won't be doing any of the multiplayer stuff because I'm a coward. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just don't feel like getting into that, but yeah. I'll do the first game, show off most of the plans and and a lot of the stuff. But other than that, the last time I'm picking this game up, And again, I'm still open to the idea, if you comment down below, if you want me to continue to do graveyard ops and garden ops, I'll do that just for that. But yeah, I am Blitz 11, signing off of Plants vs. Zombies going for 2. And I'll see you on another game now. Or the first run or something like that. Bye.